Hey, where are we?
At Guadalupe National Park. There's only 2 national parks in Texas. This is one of them.
And we'll be heading up the Guadalupe Peak Trail all the way to the top.
Yep.
So our plan is to get there by sunset and catch a sunset at the top.
Guadalupe Peak.
Let's do it. How you feeling?
Hey, tired.
Very tired.
We're probably maybe a mile in.
Maybe. Yeah, we haven't gone very far. But it's been a lot of switchbacks, very steep. Other than that though, it's not been too bad.
So we are more than halfway up to the top of Guadalupe.
And how are you feeling?
It's hard. It honestly is hard, but we're doing it. We're almost there.
Yeah, it's a gnarly hike, and we've hiked a lot of places, and this one's it's really difficult between the wind and the switchbacks, which are really steep, super hard rock, which is actually coral. This is one of the largest fossil coral reefs type hikes and areas in the world. Really cool. Lots of little shells in the rocks and everything. It's really neat.
Yeah. We are almost there.
Almost there.
30 more minutes.
The trail has been very steep, very rocky, but the views just keep getting better and better. And we're almost to the top.
Woo!
Woo! I think we're gonna make it. Hey, we made it!
Woo!
At the summit.
Yep.
We climbed over 3,000 feet, and currently we are at what altitude?
8,751 feet high.
There is a metal pyramid type structure, like a little monument up here.
Right here.
And it's right at the very top.
It marks the summit, the highest natural point in Texas. It has 3 sides.
Dedicated to the Boy Scouts, American Airlines, and the Pony Express.
Yep.
And it is absolutely beautiful up here. So right now we're just waiting for sun to set, and then we have a long, dark hike down. We are about to start our hike down right now.
Yep.
In the dark.
Got the lights, got a flashlight.
No jackets and wipers.